Welcome back to Wander Breeze, where tales unfold and dreams take wings. Today, we voyage to a tropical paradise called Maldives, a realm where islands kiss the sky. In the heart of the Indian Ocean, a mosaic of 1196 isles lie. Stretched over 871 kilometers from north to south they span. Formed by 26 natural atolls, a spectacle no mere words can. Some islands cradle native souls, others host resorts grand, while many, untouched by footsteps, are nature's own wonderland. Resorts claim islands as their own, crafting unique holiday dreams, where time unwinds in secluded bliss and luxury endlessly streams. Embark with a valid passport, no injections needed, you can forgo, but do pack sun protection and swimsuits for the sun's glow. And remember, English plugs in the Maldives, so adapters in tow. Avoid importing forbidden items, for the law is not weak. US dollars welcomed widely, for cash, there's little need to peek. Choose your haven, beach or garden, villas of every kind. Private pools, jacuzzis, outdoor showers, luxury designed. Dive into the clear waters, home to vibrant coral reefs and marine life. Gastronomic adventures are plenty, rich and pure. Buffets, a la carte, themed nights, culinary tours ashore. Day trips to native islands are a real cultural treat. In Malay, explore markets, mosques and streets so neat. Activities abound from lazing in sun-kissed bliss to sports, spas and wellness, a rejuvenating dish. Your journey begins here. Don't hesitate, for in the embrace of these isles, your dreams will resonate.